What's up, guys? Don's back for another video. We're back with another install video. We got my cousin Nyles right here, and we got his Toyota Camry right here. As you guys can see, I hate to do it to you now, but we got a little small damage right here. Small damage, and these headlights are just old anyway. So obviously, you guys can tell. Hopefully, you guys can tell what's in these boxes by now. We got some headlights. We got some fresh newbies right here. Now with the fresh newbies.
Oh yes, sir. Yes. I mean, you know how it is when you think the car is in reverse, but it's in drive. Yeah, shit like that. Yeah. It happens. You feel me? It happens. It happens.
It happens, guys. So don't judge my cousin. If you do, then we coming for you. But yeah, gonna set the camera up. We're gonna set everything up, and then we just gonna get it cracking. So let's get it. All right, guys. So as you see, kind of got some quick disconnect pieces right here, but we got a few tins. We got a 10 mil right here. We got 10 mil in here. We got a 10 mil not in there. I thought that was a 10 mil in there. It's kind of hard because this side is kind of smashed up, but yeah, it should be like 3 or 4 10 mils, but I'll show you guys on that side. And as you guys can see, if you can tell, it's raining. It started raining again, so poo. But yeah, let's get it. Let's take this headlight off, but I'll show you guys other ones on that side. So let's get it. Alright, so almost got this headlight out. Well, they put it out, but this side was much easier. So what you're going to do, some people take the bumper all the way off, but you don't have to. Just take this 10 mil bolt off in here. Remove the fender liner off on the side. Put that off to the side. Take that 10 mil off. Just had this like slouch a little bit, but like I said, this side was a little easier, just because this side is like, it's kind of messed up, so it's easier to take it out. But yeah, so you're gonna take these 3 connectors off back here to the lights. You got one right there, and then we got 2, and then we got 3, or you got another one right here, so we got 4. We'll take these off, then we're gonna put the new one in, and we're gonna see the night and day difference between, at least between that one, because these lights are hazy anyway. And like I was just telling him, even if he didn't smash this side up, it would have been almost time for new ones. But we can probably clean these up either way, but I mean, you got new ones now, so it don't really matter. But yeah, we're going to definitely see the night and day difference between the headlights. But let me get these 4 connectors off. I'm going to get the new one in, and then we're going to show you guys the difference. Guys, I gave it some thinking. So we got this headlight out, and I was thinking, it's not going to be easy putting the new one back in, just like this, because it was too easy to take that out, obviously, because it was broken. So what I'm doing now is, as you guys know, I took that 10 mil off right there in that bumper. I took this 10 mil off right here. I just took this one off, and then I'm going to take this 10 mil off on this side. That way, so I can at least have it hanging forward, you know, that way so I can get this whole assembly out, because it's going to be harder, obviously, because this one's not broken. So it's going to be harder to do this one. That fucking crow is loud. That fucking crow up there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that motherfucker. He's up there. Fucking crow. But yeah, I'm gonna take this 10 mil off. Let the bumper hang down a bit. Get back to you. So guys, we got both headlights in, and I know what I said last slide. I was gonna show you guys this side, but there's really nothing to show, and the reason why I say that is because this side literally had no bolts in the headlights. So there's only 2 bolts for the headlights. There's one right here, and then this one on the side right here, and there was no bolts. Only bolts that I took off was for the bumper. It was right here for the bumper, and the one right here for both sides. So yeah, they both were quick disconnect headlights. But since, you know, I'm a car guy, my dad was a car guy, may he rest his soul, I'm looking down on me right now. I'm gonna go back here in our fancy toolbox that needs to be replaced, which I am gonna replace it and put some new tools in. can go back in this trusty toolbox right here. And I'm gonna find a couple of screws. See if I can find a couple of screws to put in here for him. Let's see. I'll come back to you guys when I find a screw. Alright, so I found some screws. I got 3 just in case if one doesn't work, but I got 2 I think that are very promising. So yeah, camera has some crap at focusing right now. Yeah, we found some 10mm screws for this side. There we go. So yeah, hopefully they work. I know these 2 right here will work. This one I'm questionable about, but these 2 definitely will work. So let's get these screwed in. Alright guys, so we got the headlights in. We got Nyles right there. Got both headlights in. Bumpers connected. We got all screws back in. This side is going to fit a little bunk due to the damages. So this sits a little over the headlights right there, but obviously, as you guys can see, it's not in the way of the bulb, any bulbs. So that's the most important thing. This side has the better fitment. But yeah, we got both headlights in. Let's appreciate this goodness right now. Like, look how they looked before. Disregard the broken one, but look how this one is compared to the new ones. They're crystal clear. All right, Nyles, you want to go ahead and turn these headlights on?
I bet.
Let's turn these headlights on, make sure they work. Yes, sir. Turn signal. Yep, so we got the headlights working. As you see. Turn signal. Turn signal work. Good. Right side. Got the right side good. High beam. High beam. Get on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We cooking. We cooking right now. Yes, sir. Look at that. You better see so much better at night.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah. You better see so much better at night now. All right, let's see what the hood closes. Let's close the hood here. Oh, this dog. Oh. Uh-oh, we got some hood closing issues, guys. Be right back. Alright, so we're back. I got the hood to shut. I tried to bend it. I got a piece of wood. I couldn't find my hammer, so I had a brick. And I was just hitting, obviously not while it was down, but while it was up. I hit the bottom of it while it was up in the air. I think I probably got it a little bit to bend out a little bit, but I mean, due to the hood being dented in, we got some bunk fitment issues right there. But I mean, the most important part was getting the headlights in. As you guys can see, got them brand new blicky schmicky headlights up in there. Yeah. Unfortunately, we got the bunk fitment issues. But the most important part is we got the headlights in. They work. Low beam works, high beam works, turn signals work. And yeah, so hopefully this guy is a happy customer. But yeah, we're definitely we'll figure something out later for that. Or I'll get some stuff on work and then we can probably fix that out. I could probably try to get that out a later time. But yeah, guys, there's a video.
All right. It's been your man. They call me Nyles, aka BK Stacks, aka the fundraiser, all that good stuff. Of course, if you like the video and you're not a subscriber, I don't know what the fuck you doing. They ain't gonna say that. They ain't gonna monetize you with the word fuck. But fuck it. He can block that out. Subscribe to my man. I call him Long Money Tay Dog Millionaire the Third. So that's it. We out.
You heard the boy. you heard the man. We signing out. See you guys next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this DIY install video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.